just wanted to show you my finished mandala madness. But if you're new to my channel, then do hit that subscribe button now, and you will keep up to date with all of my videos and all of my weekly tutorials as well. So obviously I didn't complete the whole pattern, I only completed part of the pattern, and I stopped when I ran out of yarn basically. So for those of you that haven't been following this on my Instagram, I used obviously the Mandala Madness pattern, which I will link below, and I also used a Shapeys Whirl in the shade Rosewater Cocktail. I wanted something really bright, and I really think that that yarn was absolutely perfect for it. Now, a lot of you are asking how I planned to mount this. Now, obviously I haven't done this myself. I'm very lucky to have a carpenter friend, and he designed and made this entire mount for me. So it's actually using reclaimed pallet wood. So obviously it has then been finished with a dark wax or varnish or something. I'm not sure exactly what he used, to be honest, but I wanted to use dark wood because I thought that would make the colours stand out more. Because when we tried it with like a whitewash wood background, the gaps that you get in the pattern just didn't look as nice, that the finish just wasn't as good. So we decided on the dark wood, and I'm really happy with the results, and I'm very grateful to Joel for making this mount for me. I will link to his store and things in the description as well. But let's just take you in now for a closer look. So you can see it's been framed on the nice dark stained wood. And because I wanted this obviously to be a wall hanging, I was slightly concerned about it drooping, because obviously that's what would happen if it was only pinned in the edges here. The middle would start to sag. So you can't actually tell, but all the way throughout it has actually been secured and pinned into place using like a fishing wire. So obviously you can't see it on the front, but I will show you the back. So this is the back, and obviously you can see in these places here where it's all been secured. So in the centre, and then around the centre, and then in various places as you go out it's been secured as well, and then each of the points have been secured on the outer section. So that is what the wood actually obviously looked like originally. So I'm very happy with how this has turned out. I thought the mandala, once I'd got to this point, it just felt like a work of art, and I just knew that I wanted to display it in a way that I hadn't seen before. I didn't want it to just be a blanket. And so it really does feel like a piece of art now, because it's framed, it's mounted, and it's ready to be hung up on my bedroom wall. And I can't wait to actually put it in place, and I will obviously share a photo on my Instagram once it is in place above the bed. But I really hope that you've enjoyed following me along with this mandala. I'm really grateful and thankful for all of the support and all of the likes and comments that I've had on it as well. I'm really glad that you've liked it as much as I have. So I will link to the pattern, I will link to Joel, and I will link to where I buy my Shapeys from as well. And I will see you for another video very soon. But just before I go, I did want to say that keep an eye out on this channel this coming weekend, so this Saturday. There is something exciting that is going to be happening on my channel this Saturday. So make sure you keep your eyes open for that, and I will see you then.